Hey fellas, we have good oldie DHP458 and it's something's working, something's not, so definitely I think the brushes will go out. Let's check it. Okay, we have the brushes here. The brushes not ended up, so what we want to do, we want to open it and check what can be wrong here. Okay, let's check what we have here. We have the armature. You can see it's a little bit dirty, the commutator. It can be because the contact with the brushes was not really good. We want to see how this wires are looking. They are looking nice. Okay, so what can be the reason? It's working intermittent. Probably one of the reasons it can be the brushes. What I will try to do now, I'll try to lift the springs of the brush holder. I will insert the brush. Now it's moving easily. You can see some dirt here. Okay, what's it there? We have the armature damage here. I don't know if I can zoom it on a camera. So yeah, it's armature damage, and it can be that we have the short circuit here. So we need to go clean this armature to check what's happening with it. Okay, let's check it. Here we have some bumps here. We have a lot of bumps here. Of course they are shorting the commutator, so we need to remove these bumps somehow. Let's check, maybe we can do that with our knife. Okay, yeah, I can see the copper piece inside, and definitely that will short out the motor. Okay, basically we need a new commutator or the new armature. Okay, I found the spare armature for this one. You can see the windings. This one is the new code, this one the old code. So I will just try it. Okay, remove some dirt from it. Okay. The bump goes here, and the armature goes here. The marker sign goes up. The brush holder. Aligning everything in places. Okay, everything seems to be in place now, and I want to change the brushes. It's a DHP458 brushes. Now making sure that everything will flow fine. Okay, got it. Now I want to insert the brushes. Okay, now we can try to slowly turn it on. Okay, don't want to play with it too much, but I think it's a switch problem. That's good that I have the spare one, so I will replace it. Okay, that's good that I have the replacement switch. And what I'm doing when it's a situation like this, for example, I've seen the armature, I told the price for the customer told okay, and bam 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 bam, I'm assembling it and finding that the switch is faulty. In case like that, I'm using the spare ones, and if I have the used one from some kind of runner tool, I'm using it. If I have a new one, I'm using the new one, but I'm not taking the money from the customer, because it's not a customer fault that I made a mistake. Okay, now we need to remember that the black one was on the top and the red one was on the bottom. Connecting the LED back again, putting everything in the housing. Okay, do we have it working? course I will not run a lot, not close it. Okay, now we can try to run it. This battery is a little bit strange, it's not getting the good. Yep, we don't have the intermittent fold here. And oh, it's a rubber here. Okay. Of course, don't run the tool a lot like that. Okay, looks good enough. Of course, this battery is weak, but the tool looks good enough, so we have repaired it, save it from trash. Thank you for watching. Bye.